Hi, I'm a cat. Are Japanese people losing their identity? My answer is yes. Their identity consists of two parts, Bushido and animism. Bushido is a kind of ethics, including a norm of relationship. According to animism, gods exist everywhere in nature. Japanese people thank nature for providing their food. However, they are forgetting about the essence of Bushido and animism, respect for elders, and love of nature. First, the younger generations don't respect elders, especially fathers. In Japanese saying, the most fearful things are Jishin, Kaminari, Kaji, Oyaji, earthquakes, thunderbolts, fire, and fathers. Nowadays, they're scared at the top three, but not fathers. They think of fathers just as ATMs or automatic teller machines. For another example, I used to like comedy shows called Yoshimoto Shinkigeki. In a comedy, a father was taken hostage by a burglar. The burglar said to the family, "Don't move. If you make the slightest movement, I'll kill him." Then the family started yelling and dancing around. He asked, "Do you understand me? I'll kill your father." The answer was absolutely yes. That's why we are moving. Everyone burst into laughter. But I didn't. I won't watch Yoshimoto Shinkigeki anymore. Second, the younger generations don't love nature so much. I admire natural farmers. They grow crops in a natural way. My favorite dish is Sanuki udon. It's a kind of noodle. I said to a farmer, "I feel proud of Japan whenever I eat Sanuki udon." He said, "Not Japan, but Australia. Most wheat is from Australia these days. It's much cheaper." I was shocked. How about rice? I love gyudon as well. Gyudon is a bowl of rice with beef on top. He added, "Sooner or later, Japanese rice will be replaced by American one. You'll be proud of US whenever you eat gyudon." Japanese culture is in danger because it is deeply rooted in rice and rice field. In summary, Japanese people are forgetting about the integral parts of Bushido and animism. The younger generations enjoy freedom without respect for elders. Also, they love money much better than nature. As a result, Japanese people are losing their identity.